My name is Irina. I'm Bulgarian but live in the United States, and I have been there for 23 years. I live in Seattle. I had a very complex dental work. I've been researching for almost a year and a half in US to find a dentist due to the extensive work that needed to be done. I had an old dental work which was failing. Also, I had periodontitis, which was making more complicated the situation. Due to the expense in US and not a guarantee that you will get a quality work, I started researching in Bulgaria. I found Dr. Nuri and NuriDent, all the information on internet and the reviews from Google. I was very impressed by the clinic, and especially the reviews, and especially from the website. The website was very explanatory. All the prices, all the work, all that needed to be done was there, and I researched, I did my homework, and decided that this will be the clinic. I had a lot of recommendations here for different doctors, but that was my choice due to the research that I did. And I came first in September. I had done my upper jaw, the entire jaw, and all, like, I had implants placed, and some of my teeth were treated endodontically. The work was excellent. Dr. Nuri, I have no words. Exceptional professionalism, the kindness, the work, the exquisite work. The same Dr. Vangelova, she's an endodontist, and she did also great work. The two of them were perfect. The whole staff, the whole clinic. I have no words, not enough words to express my gratitude and how impressed I am by the excellent job that they did. They placed temporary crowns on my treated upper jaw, on all the teeth that were treated. I had to come 3 months later, which I just came, and I had treatment on my lower jaw and placement on the entire, like my permanent teeth on the upper lower jaw. The work, again, I have no words to express how well was done, and I would recommend this clinic and Dr. Nuri and Dr. Vangelova as well, and the whole staff, to anyone, family, friends, and anyone that is looking for a great dentist. The work is exceptional. Great professionalism. They have also transportation service. They welcome their guests. They help them with hotels and booking the hotels, with all the needs, with the accommodations. Besides the welcoming, the friendliness, the kindness, the great work. I have no words. I would recommend them to anyone. I'm really, really happy with my dental work. It was very complex situation. Not every dentist could have done the work, and I have had consultations in US, I had consultations here, and my choice, it was from first sight, but also after the consultation with Dr. Nuri, that was my choice. Final, and I would recommend them to anyone. The work is perfect.